It's 2 a.m. in Los Angeles. The city is quiet, the streets are empty, and most people are deep in sleep, unaware of what's about to unfold in your home. Suddenly, you're jolted awake by the unmistakable sound of rushing water inside your home. At first, you hope it's just a dream, but the noise only grows louder, echoing through the walls. You leap out of bed, heart pounding, and rush to the living room. There, you find water pouring from a burst pipe, flooding your floors and soaking everything in its path. Panic sets in as you realize towels won't help. This is a full-blown emergency. The water is spreading fast and you feel helpless as you watch your belongings get drenched. The water is destroying your floors, walls, and everything in its path. Furniture, electronics, and cherished memories are all at risk of being ruined in minutes. In this chaos, the first and most critical step, shut off your home's main water valve. Knowing where it is ahead of time can make all the difference, so act fast. That buys you a moment to breathe, but the real work is just beginning. The adrenaline is pumping, but you need a clear head to handle what comes next. This isn't the time for DIY fixes or searching for online hacks. Quick internet solutions won't stop the damage, and every second you wait, the problem gets worse. You need a professional, someone who's handled this disaster hundreds of times and can respond immediately. Only an expert can truly assess the situation and take control. That's why you should call 518-862-JODU46 right now for emergency help. A burst pipe is more than a leak. It's a threat to your home's structure. Left unchecked, it can cause lasting damage that's expensive and difficult to repair. Every minute counts, and making the right call now can save you thousands later. The longer you wait, the more extensive the repairs will be. Don't hesitate. Reach out to +1 888-862-0246 for immediate assistance. This is not a job for amateurs. Attempting a quick fix could make things worse, risking your safety and your home's future. You need a skilled, local plumber who understands the urgency and can guide you through the crisis. Someone who knows Los Angeles homes and can act fast. The right expert will stop the problem, assess the damage, and prevent it from getting worse. They'll help you recover and restore your peace of mind. In a plumbing emergency, experience and speed make all the difference. Don't wait. Get the help you need, right when you need it most. Call +1 888-862-0246 for 24/7 emergency plumbing in Los Angeles. When water invades your home, every minute matters. It seeps into drywall, underfloors, and into the wooden frame, causing rot and structural damage. Worse, mold can start growing within 24 to 48 hours, threatening your family's health. Many try quick DIY patches, but these rarely hold and often make things worse. Delaying a professional response only increases the damage and the cost. Emergency plumbers may seem expensive, but that's nothing compared to replacing walls, floors, or dealing with mold remediation. Fast action protects your biggest investment, your home. Waiting is a gamble you can't afford. Water won't stop, and the damage won't fix itself. Call a pro before a small leak becomes a disaster. In a flood, you need a licensed insured plumber. Call us anytime at +1 888-862-0246. Not just anyone with a wrench. Licensing means they've passed rigorous exams and know local codes. Insurance protects you if something goes wrong on your property. A true pro brings years of experience, the right tools, and a calm approach to chaos. They diagnose hidden problems fast and fix them right the first time. You're not just paying for a repair, you're buying peace of mind. Don't risk your home with a handyman or a YouTube tutorial. Only a licensed, insured plumber can guarantee a safe, lasting solution. When water is destroying your home, you need a specialist. Call +1 888-862-0246 for immediate help. Trust a local expert to handle the dirty work and restore order. Your home deserves nothing less. Plumbing disasters don't wait for business hours. They can strike at the most inconvenient times, late at night, early in the morning, or even during a holiday dinner. When water is pouring onto your floors or a pipe bursts unexpectedly, you need help right away, not hours later. That's why top emergency plumbers in Los Angeles are available 24/7 every day of the year. No matter when disaster strikes, you can count on a professional to answer your call and head your way, even in the middle of the night or on a weekend. When you call, you get a real person who understands the urgency and dispatches help immediately. There's no waiting on hold or dealing with automated systems, just fast, friendly service from someone who knows what you're going through. Local companies have plumbers stationed across the city for rapid response. With teams spread throughout Los Angeles, they can reach your home quickly, no matter where you live. They know the neighborhoods, the traffic, and the unique challenges of LA homes. Their experience means they're prepared for anything, from old pipes in historic houses to modern plumbing systems in new builds. The moment you hang up, help is already on the way. Plumbers grab their gear and head out immediately so you're not left waiting and worrying. In an emergency, every minute counts. You can't afford to wait. Quick action can mean the difference between a minor fix and major damage to your home and belongings. This round-the-clock service is a promise to be there when you need it most. No matter the hour, you can trust that help will arrive, ready to tackle the problem and restore your peace of mind. Knowing help is just a call away brings peace of mind. You can rest easier, knowing that a trusted professional is always available to protect your home and family. You're not alone. Local pros are ready to jump into action day or night. Their dedication means you never have to face a plumbing emergency by yourself. That's the reliability every LA homeowner deserves. Fast, dependable help, whenever you need it most. When the emergency plumber arrives, you'll see the difference immediately. If you need help now, call +1 888 862 0246. They show up in a fully stocked service vehicle, ready for any disaster. With specialized tools and replacement parts on hand, they can fix most problems on the spot. Their first priority: stop the leak and secure your home. They quickly locate the burst pipe, even behind walls, and make a permanent repair, not a temporary patch. Years of experience mean they work efficiently and effectively. No wasted trips, no guesswork, just fast, professional results. A true pro restores order to chaos and protects your home from further damage. You'll know your home is in capable hands. For 24/7 emergency plumbing, remember the number, +1 888 862 0246. That's the value of hiring a professional. Across Los Angeles, quick action has saved countless homes from disaster. In a city where every minute counts, being prepared and knowing who to call can make all the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major catastrophe. Take the family in the valley, for example. When water suddenly poured through their ceiling late at night, they didn't hesitate. They called for help right away. Our plumber was at their door in under an hour, stopping the leak before it could destroy their brand new kitchen and saving them from weeks of repairs and thousands in damages. Or consider the homeowner in a historic district who almost waited until morning to call. Fortunately, they reached out just in time. Our team's fast response prevented water from seeping into the old woodwork, sparing them from extensive and costly structural repairs that could have threatened the home's unique character. The common thread in these stories: acting fast and calling a professional at the first sign of trouble. It's a simple step, but it's the one that makes all the difference. Those who hesitate, even for a few hours, often face buckled hardwood floors, ruined drywall, and the nightmare of mold that can spread quickly and silently behind walls. The difference between a quick, affordable repair and a major expensive renovation is often just a matter of minutes. Time is truly of the essence when water is involved. These aren't stories of luck, they're about making smart, decisive choices under pressure. Every homeowner has the power to protect their property by acting quickly and confidently. From hillside homes with sweeping views to cozy city bungalows, a quick call to a trusted local plumber has made all the difference for families across Los Angeles. No matter the neighborhood or the age of the home, your home is your biggest asset. Protect it with decisive action and don't leave its safety to chance. Taking the right steps now means peace of mind for years to come. When disaster strikes, the right call saves you money, stress, and heartache. It's not just about fixing pipes, it's about protecting your family's comfort and security. Don't wait. Get help when you need it most, and keep your Los Angeles home safe for the future. Standing in a puddle, you have a choice. Wait and hope for the best, or act quickly and save your home from disaster. If you need help now, call +1 888 862 0246. Every second you delay, the damage and cost rise, sometimes faster than you realize. Water is relentless, finding every crack and causing hidden destruction that can go unnoticed for days. Emergency service isn't about being cheap, It's about preventing bigger, costlier problems down the road. Fast professional help is always the most cost-effective solution in the long run. Don't gamble with temporary fixes or wishful thinking. These rarely solve the real issue. Local plumbers are on standby 24/7, ready to protect your home and respond at a moment's notice. Just call Plumber 1-8888-862-0246. Stay calm, shut off the water, and make the call for help right away. Again, that number is Plumber 1-8888-862-0246. Your home, your wallet, and your peace of mind will thank you for acting fast. Don't wait. Help is ready right now, whenever you need it most. Call +1-888-862-0246.